Hello, my name is Lucky and you are very lucky to watch my videos. And today I'm going to read you many books. And I love reading stories, especially moral stories. So today I'm going to read Merchant and His Seven Sons. So I'm going to read Moral Stories, large print by Shanti. Once upon a time, a rich merchant lived in a village with his 7 sons. The sons were always quarreling with each other. One day, the merchant called together all his 7 sons. 7 bundles of sticks were lying by his side. So you can see 7 bundles lying. The merchant said to them, "All of you are very proud of your strength. Today I want to test your strength." The eldest son came forward and said, "We are indeed powerful." Then, "No, break this bundle of sticks," challenged the merchant.
"What is that?"
The eldest son used all his strength to break the bundle, but he was not able to do so. Then the merchant asked his other sons to break the bundle of sticks. So here's the They too tried their best but were unsuccessful. You can see the first one going away tired, and the other one is trying really hard to break the sticks. Observing this, the merchant ordered, "Now untie the bundles and break the sticks one by one." So here the merchant is taking out the stick, and they're like all tired. The sons were able to break the sticks very easily this time. They understood the strength of unity. Moral: united we stand, divided we fall. Or should I say, United States?
Imagination.
If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell. Thank you. Bye.